Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Then, what is erosive arthritis? Actually, erosive arthritis is rheumatoid arthritis is a example of erosive arthritis is rheumatoid arthritis is an erosive arthritis. In erosive arthritis, actually there is narrowing of the joint space is important along with joints are deformed in erosive arthritis, and there is abnormal x-ray is also present in erosive arthritis. In erosive arthritis, the joint space is narrowed with joints are deformed and abnormal x-ray is seen in erosive arthritis.
thank you and thank you for watching.